is the country really prepared for the big one? And are you really prepared for the big one? Before I show the video, ano lang tayo, konting exercise so that we can be more personally involved. With your indulgence, taas kamay lang talaga. Taas kamay talaga. Sino rito ang nakabasa na at sineryoso natin yung pag-aaral na ginawa ng JICA at PBOTS regarding the big one, the projections, all the scenarios done in 2004? Please, raise your hands. So, ayun, mga glad to sa MMDA. So, not everyone. Anyway, I'm glad to, akala ko may fraternity meeting ngayon. And parang nakalimutan ko batiin, the reason why I'm here, Undersecretary Louie Pangulayan, Brad. Actually, he compelled me to be here. Sabi mo, hindi dahil doon, he compelled me to be here. Kaya naman ako natakot, kasi barkada niya boss ko sa Secretary Chodoro, baka isumbong ako. So, I'm here, Brad. Pangalawang tanong, ginagawa niyo ba at pinag-uusapan sa pamilya ninyo kung ano dapat niyong gawin pag may napakalakas na lindol? Taas kamay. Saan kayo magtatago? Halimbawa magkakahiwa-hiwalay ko during office hours, saan kayo magkikita? Yung totoong tago hindi tago sa commanders. Again, I'd like to see. Yung nag-usap kayo, sino ang in charge, di ba? Very organized. Good, at least meron. No? In my previous speaking engagements, almost zero. Di ba? Pangatlo, isa na lang. Pag ba bumoboto tayo, di ba election na naman next year? Is it part of the parameters that we consider electing leaders that you think will take this seriously or is taking this seriously? Taas kamay. At least, di ba? Now, bago ko sagutin if we are really prepared or if the country is really prepared, I'd like us to have a common appreciation. Ano ba yung big one? Ano ba yung malalaking dito? So, if I may request for the AVP that we prepared. Mga ano lang po yan, for